Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving right into setting up notifications in UPBASE, your ultimate guide for 2025. First things first, log into your UPBASE account. The reason we do this is pretty straightforward. To customize your notifications, you need to access your personal settings. Now that we're in, navigate to the top right corner of your dashboard and click on your profile icon. This helps us because it's where the magic happens. It's where your notification settings are hidden. Next up, you'll see a drop-down menu. Select Settings from the list. You're now in the Control Hub, where you can personalize your UPBASE experience. In the Settings menu, find and click on Notifications. This is the key step, as it takes you to the heart of all the notification settings. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. UPBASE is preparing to show you all the notifications you can enable or disable. Once you're in Notifications, you'll see different types of notifications like task updates, new comments, deadline reminders, and more. Choose the ones that meet your needs and click on the toggle switch next to each to turn them on or off. Let me explain why this matters. Customizing your notifications helps you stay focused on what's important to you and avoid unnecessary distractions. And that's it. You've successfully set up your notifications in UPBASE. Remember, you can come back to this settings page anytime to adjust your preferences. Thanks for being with us today, and we can't wait to see you on our next tutorial.